GPU prices might finally be starting to crack. For the last few years, gamers and PC builders have been dealing with expensive graphics cards, limited value, and confusing market conditions. But now there are early signs that the GPU market may be shifting. And this time, the reason is not just better supply, it may actually be weaker demand. Reports suggest that several AMD Radeon GPUs have started dropping below their official launch prices. Some models are even being sold close to or below channel cost. That means distributors and retailers may be cutting prices just to move inventory. This is important because when sellers start reducing prices aggressively, it usually means demand is not strong enough to support the original pricing. But why is demand slowing down? The main reason is the total cost of building a PC. A graphics card is only one part of a gaming computer. Buyers also need RAM, storage, a motherboard, CPU, power supply, case, and cooling. Recently, memory and storage prices have been rising, and that makes full PC builds more expensive. So, even if someone wants a new GPU, they may delay the upgrade because the complete system cost is too high. This creates a strange situation. Higher memory prices can make hardware more expensive to produce, but at the same time, higher prices can reduce demand. And when demand falls, retailers may be forced to discount other components, including GPUs, to keep sales moving. In simple terms, companies may want higher prices, but customers may refuse to pay them. And when customers stop buying, inventory starts building up. That is when price cuts begin. This does not mean every GPU will suddenly become cheap overnight. It also does not mean Nvidia cards, especially high-end models, will crash immediately. Nvidia still has very strong demand, especially because of AI and professional workloads. But the gaming GPU market is different. For regular gamers, price matters a lot. If a card is too expensive, many buyers will simply wait. And if enough people wait, retailers have no choice but to lower prices. AMD GPUs may be the first to show this pressure because some models are more sensitive to price competition. If Radeon cards drop in price, Nvidia may not respond instantly, but it could still put pressure on the rest of the market. Another important sign is the motherboard market. Major motherboard brands are reportedly expecting much lower shipments this year. That matters because motherboard sales are closely connected to new PC builds. If fewer people are buying motherboards, it usually means fewer people are building full systems. And if fewer people are building PCs, GPU demand also becomes weaker. So the bigger picture is clear. The PC market is under pressure. Memory and storage costs are rising. Full builds are becoming more expensive. Buyers are becoming more careful, and some GPU sellers are now being forced to cut prices to move stock. So should you buy a GPU right now? If you need one urgently, buy based on the actual price in your country. Do not make a decision only because prices are dropping in another region. But if you're not in a hurry, waiting a little longer may be smart. The first signs of price weakness are already appearing, and more discounts could follow if demand continues to slow down. The best cards to watch are mid-range GPUs, older generation models, and cards that are still selling far above MSRP. So, is the GPU price crash starting? Maybe not a full crash yet, but the first cracks are definitely showing. And if demand keeps falling, GPU prices could finally start moving in the right direction for gamers. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more PC hardware updates, GPU price news, and smart buying guides.